Have you ever felt stuck in your financial journey, wondering why success seems just out of reach? Many people turn to traditional methods like saving more, investing in stocks, or following generic advice from books and blogs. But often, these solutions fall short. They provide fragmented advice without a clear, actionable path, leaving you confused and overwhelmed. What if there was a more effective way to build wealth? A structured approach that focuses not just on actions, but on the mindset that drives millionaires to succeed. This advanced solution offers a step-by-step framework that demystifies wealth building. It simplifies the process by focusing on proven principles, making it easy for anyone to follow, regardless of their starting point. With this method, you can automate your learning and apply it across different fields, achieving more in less time. It's about transforming your mindset and adopting habits that empower you to take meaningful action toward your goals. Instead of relying on chance, you can use this comprehensive system to guide your financial decisions, ensuring you're always on the right track. I'd like to show you a modern solution called Millionaire Algorithm. It's already helped lots of people in the same situation as you, and you'll find the link below this video.